What's happening, YouTube? It's time for a 2012 bike check. Understand? I do. Alright, so just got the frame. It's the United Voyage frame. It's dope. I love it. But we'll start at the top. I got the Colt Chase the Heart grips. They're pretty comfy. I like them. They don't slip if you hold them on the ribbed ones that are horizontal. I don't know if they grip better. Bars. I think the Fit Eddie 3 bars. They're signature bars, and they go along with the forks. There's the Eddie forks. The stem is the premium sub 10 stem. It's got the huge cutout in the middle. It's really light. It's pretty dope. Headset. Who cares? Fork, like I said, goes along with the bars, the Fit Eddies. Front tire is the, why do I have rider's block? Not rider's block. I have brain fart. It's a Fit FAF tan wall 2.3. The front end is it's an Alienation Deviant rim laced up to the tree straight pull spoke hub. It's like the strongest, lightest front rim you can get right now. Maybe not the rim. I don't really like the rim, but the hub is dope. Has a built-in hub guard. I don't know if you can see it. Peg is just, it was stock off a really old Verde. They work. Slide okay. Frame, just got it. Like I said, United Voyage. You know, it's pretty dope. What am I doing? Okay. The seat is a Shadow Crow pivotal seat with just some random pivotal post that I found. What else? Pedals. Get into the drivetrain. Pedals are just some Haro recycled PC pedals. I mean, I've had them for a pretty long time. I like them. They're pretty grippy. Going on to the cranks are the premium 1948 cranks. I don't know if you can see the premium sticker on the cranks. Yep, premium 1948 cranks. I like them a lot. The sprocket. I hate this part of my bike the very most. Sprocket is the Shadow Conspiracy Scream sprocket, 28 tooth. Okay, don't get it. It sucks. Bad. I just tried. I didn't even do a lucky grind. Like, I picked my bike up and like went through the motions of it because I didn't know how to like lock on the rail. My weight wasn't even on the bike, and my fucking sprocket bent. What kind of shit is that, Shadow? I mean, I stand behind their products, but that sprocket's just terrible. The chain, really love the chain. It's a KMC, some crazy long fucking code for it. I don't know. It's a hollow pin, hollow track. So I like it. It's pretty strong. All right, my back wheel, same tire. Fit FAF tan wall, 2.3 in the back. Back rim is a Primo 7 Series balance rim. I don't even give a damn what kind of rim it is. But the hub is a Primo Remix. And here's a sound. I think it sounds pretty good. And it's pretty strong. It's easy to take apart, so like cleaning, greasing, degreasing, oiling, it's a breeze. It's real easy. On the other side, I have the Shadow, or not the Raptor, what the hell am I thinking? A Shadow hub guard and the same peg. My bike weighs roughly around, I would say like 22 and a half, 23, something like that. Honestly, if it's below 24 pounds, I really don't give a shit. So, because 24 is light enough and anything below it is good. But thanks for watching my bike check. That's it. Summer 2012, motherfuckers. How do I turn this thing off?